Hello viewers, welcome to special chit chat with beautiful actresses Ada Sharma. So question mark movie తో మన ముందుకు రాబోతున్నారు. ఆ మూవీ డీటెయిల్స్ అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం. హలో అదా.
Hi.
ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
Good. How are you?
ఐఎమ్ ఆల్సో గుడ్. మీ లుక్ చాలా డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉంది. ఏంటి దీని రీజన్ ఏంటి?
I feel looks should not have a reason other than if they are in a film. Then
Because
you
of
should stick to a
ఏదైనా మూవీ
character.
క్యారెక్టర్ కి
No, in a movie you should stick to the character as per the director's vision is. But I think in real life fashion should be something that is fun and not to be taken very seriously. And all the girls who follow my fashion or look up to me for style, I feel like I want to set an example to them to be free to wear whatever you feel like whenever you want without having to be judged or being worried about being judged by somebody else. I want people to have that freedom. I think that will get so much more creativity from people and make people so much happier as people. So yeah.
సో లాక్డౌన్ లో ఏం చేశారు? హ్యావ్ యు డన్ ఎనీథింగ్ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్?
So for me, in the lockdown, I did everything that I did normally, but I had more time to do it. Like, for example, if I used to train every day normally for an hour, I got more time, so I used to train for 2 hours there. And along with that, we did cleaning of the floors and
Okay.
also.
Okay.
Because I didn't have a full-time maid. So my mother and me were doing that. But other than that, yeah, and after 3 months, I was lucky to start work and I started shooting for Question Mark. I started shooting for another film in Hindi. So
ఓకే.
I'm quite lucky like that, I think.
కల్కి తర్వాత తెలుగులో ఏ మూవీ చేయలేదు కదా?
No, this is my next.
ఈజ్ దర్ ఎనీ రీజన్ ఎందుకు చేయలేదు? అంటే ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ నచ్చలేదా, స్టోరీ నచ్చలేదా?
So for me, I feel like when I sign a film, I have to be really excited about it. It's nice to do a film when I get up the next morning and wait to go to set to shoot it. And I don't think of language or anything. I was doing Commando in Hindi, but I know my Telugu audience will also watch Commando when it releases. I'm doing another film, Man to Man, in Hindi, but I know my Telugu audience will also watch it. So I don't think of I'll do one in Telugu, one in Hindi. I don't think like that. If I get a good script in any language, I'll do Chinese also tomorrow. It doesn't matter. Like language is not a thing like that.
ఓకే. సో ఈ మూవీ యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయడానికి రీజన్ ఏంటి?
When I spoke to the directors Prasad and Verma, I felt that they're making a movie for the right reasons. They want to make a really good film, and our producer Gauri Krishna sir wanted to make a film that's, I mean, everyone wanted to make a film for the right reasons, and I think that's really important. And then of course the script seemed really interesting. My character was really interesting. It's something I had not done before, in Telugu especially. So I had a good feeling about it, so I said yes.
సో దే నెరేటెడ్ ద స్టోరీ ఇన్ యువర్ ఫోన్ లో కాల్
Yeah,
చేశారా?
everything happened on the phone because it was Corona time, so we didn't fly down. We did everything on phone calls and Zoom calls and video calls and WhatsApp calls. That's how we managed it.
ఓకే. అండ్ ఛాలెంజింగ్ అనిపించిన ఎలిమెంట్ ఏంటి ఈ మూవీలో?
As a character, no, I think for me, getting a good movie is the challenge. Once you get a movie, then that's what I'm living for and that's what I want to do. That's what I've been training to do all my life. So the challenge is how to get the movie, the really good movie. And I figured that there is only one possible way of how to get your perfect movie, which is pray to the right gods.
సో డైరెక్టర్స్ టేకింగ్ ఎలా ఉంది? ఏదైతే స్టోరీ మీకు నెరేట్ చేశారో వాళ్ళ టేకింగ్ డైరెక్షన్ ఎలా ఉంది?
The taking as in?
లైక్ ఇన్ డైరెక్షన్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ అబౌట్
Well, we have
హౌ దే
two
షూట్.
directors, that's why it's Vipra, Prasad and Verma. And I've never met two people so in sync.
Yes.
It was great. I was a little in the beginning.
Nervous?
Before I got on set, I said there are two directors, I hope they both are on the same page, but there was never a conflict. They both had discussed what they wanted to do and they wanted to make the same film, thankfully. So it was great. They were very clear in their vision. They knew exactly what they wanted to shoot. So for an actor, that's the best thing ever.
ఓకే. సో మూవీ అంతా థ్రిల్లర్ జానర్ లో ఉంటుందా? డూ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ ఎనీ రొమాంటిక్ ఆర్ లవ్ డ్రామా అలాంటివి ఏమన్నా ఉంటాయా?
The only romance you're going to get is with no. There's no romance in the movie as such. It's not a romantic film, but I think when you watch a film you look for entertainment, and I promise you will be very entertained. It's a different genre, that's why Question Mark. It's a scary film, but it's not horror. There's no bhoot or spirit or atma or anything. It's a thriller, but there's no like killer who you need to find or suspense like that, but people are dying, but you don't know there's no killers. So it's a very strange genre. I don't know what you can classify it as.
ఓకే, మీరు ఆఫ్టర్ ఫినిషింగ్ యువర్ స్కూలింగ్ వెంటనే 2008లో 1920 చేశారు కదా,
Yeah.
ఇంటర్ అయిపోయిందా, ప్లస్ టూ
I
అయిందా?
didn't do, no. In Bombay, you have schooling till 10th standard.
Okay.
After that, you start junior college and then college.
Okay.
I did
Okay.
not go to college.
ఓకే,
But technically, education-wise, if you ask me, I have studied psychology for the next 4 years because my granny taught psychology and she kind of freaked out when I said I don't want to continue studies. And I was a very good student. I was like those first-in-class students.
ఓకే,
So I've technically studied psychology for the next 4 years. I've not gone to a college or given exams, but if you ask that, yeah, I have. And I've also graduated in Kathak.
ఓకే.
So
అంటే 10th అయిపోయిన వెంటనే మూవీస్ లోకి రావాలని,
I have no idea. I don't know why. I don't know what went into my mind, and I don't know
at what age that you got that initiative, I would become an actress? At
maybe-
what age?
Maybe when I was in the 9th standard, I think.
Okay,
Before
who
that, I
inspired you a lot to become an actress?
I have no idea why I suddenly thought, but I was definitely sure. And before that, I had like when the thing is, every time I was sure I wanted to do something, I was sure I wanted just that. So in the middle, I was like, I want to be an architect, and I was like, definitely. Then I said I want to join the circus, and I was like, definitely. So I don't know, but then when it was actress, it stuck on. I guess there was no particular reason or inspiration.
Then your parents accepted your decision after finishing your schooling?
Yeah, they actually did. I'm blessed to have really nice parents. I said, this is what I want to do, and they said, if this makes you happy and this is what you want to do, then go.
1920 ఎలా వచ్చింది మీకు? విక్రమ్ భట్తో వర్క్ చేయాలంటే స్కూల్ అప్పుడే కంప్లీట్ అయింది, ఎట్ ద వెరీ యంగ్ ఏజ్ మీకు
Yes.
ఎలా వచ్చింది ఆఫర్?
So I was auditioning for a lot of movies, and 1920 is one such film that happened through an audition. I got rejected for a lot of movies.
బిఫోర్ దట్?
Yeah, I must have got rejected for some 10-20 movies.
ఓకే,
I then auditioned for a few ads also that I got rejected for.
ఓకే.
And then 1920 happened, and it worked out. Actually, I initially wasn't selected for 1920 because they thought I didn't fit the look. But then they did a look test. They made my eyebrows like thin, and we did contact lenses, and they made my lips like that with the makeup and all that to my face. And yeah, then when I fitted their look, they were very happy with the audition that I did because it was one scary scene, possessed scene, and I guess when things are meant to be, they just happen.
సో ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ 1920 మీరు ఆడిషన్స్కి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు హ్యావ్ యూ సీన్ ఎనీ రిజెక్షన్స్, ఎనీ ఫెయిల్యూర్స్ ఇన్ యువర్
Yeah,
కెరియర్?
the main rejections I got after 1920 because
వాట్ ఇస్ ద రీజన్?
I feel like our industry, anywhere maybe, stereotypes people. So people have decided now she can do only horror.
ఓకే.
I had to reprove that I can do other things. So then till I got like, I remember I got a Limca commercial, which was a Limca ad. And then once I got the Limca ad, then people were like, okay, she can look okay, you know, in a commercial setup. And then I got Hasi to Phasi, and then yeah, but rejections happen till now also. I mean, rejections I think are a part of your life, for me at least.
How do you face these kind of rejections and failures? Have you been never any dull moment in your life once you got
of
rejected?
course, yes, every time I get rejected, it's a dull moment. I'm human, so I would feel terrible about it. But I guess we have to learn to move on.
Then how do you motivate quickly?
I bounce back pretty fast, but
Okay.
of course I get rejected and everything, all that happens. But I think if acting is something you've chosen as a career and a profession, you need to be open to rejection. That you need to be really strong about, because I think rejection will happen. For me, failures are not. Don't demotivate me. What demotivates me is maybe if I'm not allowed to participate in. Like if I was not given a chance to probably audition for something, or there's something that I really want to do, but I'm not even allowed to be considered in it. That would hurt me. But other than that, no, everything else you move on from.
So you got a Filmfare debut award for the first film 1920. So దాని తర్వాత కూడా మీకు you need to wait for చాలా రోజులు వెయిట్ చేశారు కదా సెకండ్ మూవీ?
Roju means I think for 2 years or something I didn't do anything else because I don't want to do
But
horror.
that time what had you done? The
Nothing.
2
I
years.
was waiting. I mean, doing all the things that I'm doing now. I used to play the piano then. I used to train then. I did everything that I always did. But yeah, I used to always wait. I did auditions and all through that as well. But yeah, I guess.
సో తెలుగులో హార్ట్ అటాక్ ఆఫర్ ఎలా వచ్చింది? పూరి గారు కాల్ చేశారా? అండ్ ఏ మూవీ చూసి కాల్ చేశారు?
So Puri sir called me for heart attack, and he said that I was shooting for Hasi to Phasi then, and he said there's this movie and I want to make. It's a really good role for a girl, and actually he's spoken to me before when he was doing another film, and I didn't have dates for that. The film
Which
he was doing
movie?
before Heart Attack, and
ఓకే.
I don't remember it now, but that time I remember I didn't have dates because I was shooting for Hasi to Phasi. The shoot started the day after my dates for Hasi to Phasi were done. So I said I would really love to do this, and I would want to work with Puri sir. He said I'm making a movie where the girl's role is as good as the hero, and it's a fab role for you to debut with and everything. And he sent me an entire script of it, and he said read it. And I said yeah, I'm on. Then I came to sign the film. We did.
హ్యావ్ యూ డన్ ఎనీ ఆడిషన్ ఫర్ దట్? నో.
Yes, I have actually.
Okay.
I found an audition of mine that was leaked on YouTube of what I had sent him from Bombay. So I was given a scene from it, and I had sent that audition tape because he said I just want to see if you'll manage the Telugu.
తెలుగు, యా.
So because
దట్ వాజ్
he
యువర్
said-
ఫస్ట్ తెలుగు ఫిలిం?
Yeah, and he said I don't want. It's a strong role for the girl. I don't want you just talking rubbish. So I want to see if you can manage it. So just send me an audition. So I sent him one from Bombay only, and they really liked that. And I think it was a promo that na peru Hayati Spain ilte yo guru
Okay.
tagledu.
Okay, okay.
That promo line it was. So we sent that, and there was another crying scene or something, and yeah, then I came and I signed it.
సో హయతి క్యారెక్టర్ బాగా తెలుగు ఆడియన్స్ కి కనెక్ట్ అయింది. హార్ట్ అటాక్ మూవీ రిలీజ్ అయిన తర్వాత ఆడియన్స్ నుంచి వచ్చిన రెస్పాన్స్ కానీ మీకు తెలుగులో ఎలాంటి నెక్స్ట్ ఆఫర్స్ వచ్చాయి?
You know, when we were shooting for Heart Attack, actually, a lot of people, like the crying scene and all, Puri sir said, I want to do things differently. Like in Telugu, when a heroine is angry, she does this, puts her hands on her waist. He said, what different can you do? So I just did this with my eyes like that. And he said, yeah, we'll do that. When you cry, he said, don't vibe like that. What can you do different? So I've just done that. And those are small things that
Yes,
we
yes.
just did in the movie. But I can't believe when people watch the movie, those are the things that they actually remembered. When we were shooting for it, people on set used to tell Puri sir, what is she doing? No. From like the bandana that I tied on my head, everybody said no girl ties bandana on head, tell her to remove. And from things like that to an acting thing, but I'm so happy we did all those things because all those things.
Yeah, you had tried lot of hairstyles and dressing, costumes, everything was
things
quite.
that were not done before.
Yes.
And on set, people really rejected it. They said this girl, you know, it's going to be very bad and people are not going to like it. And when we went to promote the film, I remember to a small college in Vijayawada, there were girls who had tied the bandana on their head. So
Okay.
as an actor, I feel that's a huge sign of success if someone is. And they told me that my favorite scene was when you wiped your tear with your thumb. And I think those are really sweet things for an actor to hear. Because then you know that your movies actually touched people.
Do you watch all your films with your parents?
No. If I know a film is going to be really bad, then I don't watch it.
Did they watch this Heart Attack?
Yes, they did actually. My dad was alive then and he went to the theatre. It released in Bombay.
Okay.
In Telugu actually, not dubbed in Hindi. It released in Bombay in a theatre in Telugu. My dad watched it 4 times, I remember.
He know Telugu.
No,
He
does
can
not know
understand.
Telugu. He does not know, and the film was not subtitled also.
Oh yeah.
And then my friends, who are my friends since school, they are my childhood friends who are my best friends now. So 12 of them have all gone to the theatre and watched it in Telugu without subtitles.
They even don't know any single word of
Don't know
Telugu.
a word of Telugu. They said we understood everything. Just in the interval, why you slapped him and then you hugged him and then you ran away. I said actually that was my doubt when we were shooting it, and then Puri sir told me girls sometimes do this, Ada. So but they actually watched the whole film. But Heart Attack
Okay.
was a good film. If I've done a really bad film, then I tell them it's bad, and I have friends who are very honest.
అలాంటి మూవీస్ ఉన్నాయా? Like bad movies అనిపించినప్పుడు you
name. I'm not going to name. People watching can guess which ones. But if I know a movie is really terrible, actually I don't have to even tell them no. My friends are very honest. They've watched stuff of mine and been like, "This is horrible." So my mother's also pretty honest like that. So
మీ మదర్ మీకు ఎప్పుడైనా మీరు చేసిన ది బెస్ట్ వర్స్ట్ తను చెప్పేస్తారా?
yes, my mother will definitely tell me. Like we watch things and gone like, "This is really bad," and we've done all that. My grandmother will think everything I do is very great, even if it's horrible, there's a horrible photo shoot of mine. When I look
Whatever you had
really
done.
bad, she says, this is the best thing. My granddaughter is the most beautiful girl in the world. Nobody can look like her. And so,
But your mom not like that.
my mom is pretty honest. So, yeah.
So working with Puri sir, how does what kind of experience that you got?
I'm very fortunate, yeah, and it was my first Telugu movie. What I loved is that everything was prepared. He gave me my lines and everything before he sent me somebody to teach me Telugu. So on set, I was so cool and I could concentrate on performance because I knew my lines, hero's lines, everybody's dialogue, because I was given a full bound script 2 months before shoot started. He told us the exact schedule, so I knew which day what. It was very. I just landed on into a first Telugu movie with Puri Jagannath.
Have you seen any of Puri sir's Telugu films
I
previously?
have seen all his films actually.
Which was dubbed into Hindi.
No, I saw his films.
Only
in
Telugu version
also.
movies,
I had
okay.
anyway seen them, and of course I know they come dubbed in Hindi also. But I had watched a lot of his films, and he's always presented his heroine larger than life, and everyone knows that Puri Jagannath heroines are really glamorous. Though he told me this is the first time I want to do a movie where the girl is not going to be extremely glamorous
Yes.
and there will be no skin show. I don't want a hot heroine. I want her to be like odd, and people should be like, we've not seen a Telugu heroine like this before. Like what is this? So yeah, but working with him I'm very, very lucky.
ఓకే కమింగ్ టు దిస్ మూవీ ఈ సాంగ్ రామ్ చక్కనోడే సాంగ్ లో చాలా గార్జియస్ గా ఉన్నారు. ప్రీవియస్లీ యూ హ్యావెంట్ డన్ దట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ బీట్ ఉన్న సాంగ్స్ చేయలేదు.
I haven't got a chance.
సో ఈ డ్రెస్ ఈ శారీ రెడ్ శారీ అయితే నాకు చాలా బాగా నచ్చింది. యూ లుక్ టూ ప్రెటీ.
My directors thought of these combinations and said that we should do something like this for the song. So yeah, an actor has to also get an opportunity to showcase a skill, and with this song I did get an opportunity to do a nice massy song, and Shekhar Master has choreographed it, Raghu Kunche sir has given the music, and it's a fab song. Yeah, it's a really, really nice song. I think it'll play in after Corona. No, I don't know, people can play it at home and dance to it, but it's a fun song.
బాగా టిపికల్ గా కాంప్లికేటెడ్ గా అనిపించిన స్టెప్స్ ఉన్నాయా ఈ దీంట్లో మీకేమైనా?
I love complicated steps. All those things I wait for. I want complications, and I think that's where you can push yourself and challenge yourself as an actor. So I wait for someone to give me. I told Shekhar Master, we do like really tough steps, and I was quite excited to do a good.
ఓకే సో కమింగ్ టు డిఓపి, మిమ్మల్ని ఎలా అంటే సాంగ్ లో చూస్తే తెలుస్తుంది మీరు ఎంత అందంగా ఉన్నారో.
He look really, really nice.
ఓకే మూవీ అంతా ఇలానే ఉంటుందా?
Yes, he's made the whole film also look really nice. The film has to be shot very differently because it is a unique film. So I think he's done a really, really good job. When you watch it, you'll see. It's a vision of the director's vision with the DOP and how they've showcased it to you. So it's like a beautiful story. When you watch it, you will see the thrilling elements coming to life.
మీరు తమిళ్లో చేశారు, కన్నడలో చేశారు, తెలుగు అండ్ హిందీ. హిందీ కాకుండా ఏ లాంగ్వేజ్ కంఫర్టబుల్ గా అనిపిస్తుంది మీకు? విచ్ లాంగ్వేజ్ ఈజ్ మోర్ కంఫర్టబుల్ దాన్?
I am a Tamilian, but somehow I feel Telugu is easier than
You know Tamil? You can speak Tamil?
I can speak Tamil, but
Okay.
Our Tamil is a Tamil Malayalam mixed.
Okay.
Because we are Palakkad Brahmins, so it's not. I don't speak a pure Tamil. Also, I don't have too much practice.
But you can understand Tamil. You can speak Tamil.
I speak to my granny, but I meet her every alternate Sunday.
Okay.
That's only how much practice I have of Tamil. Every day when we speak on the phone, we speak in English.
Okay.
A little bit Tamil, but it's I can manage like that.
Okay.
In Telugu also, if I'm given the lines before, I can manage.
ఈ మూవీకి ఓన్ గా డబ్ చేయడానికి రీజన్ ఏంటి? అంటే మీరే ఇనిషియేట్ తీసుకున్నారా?
Yeah, and I have very cool accepting directors. That's very important. I initiate to everyone I work with, and I'm like, can I dub? But it's their final call. It's not mine to take a call on, you know, whether I dub finally. And they're very receptive people who have an open mind, even to make a movie with this concept and this idea. So I told them, I said, I want to dub it because I want my feel, and I feel I can up the performance with the dub if I do it. And they actually didn't reject it at all. They said, yeah, you're right, we should. And they said, okay. So it just happened.
ఓకే సో మీరు ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ లో క్వైట్ యాక్టివ్ గా ఉంటారు. ఎవ్రీడే యూ కీప్ ఆన్ పోస్టింగ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. మీరు ఎయిర్పోర్ట్ లో ఉన్న లుక్స్, వర్కౌట్ చేస్తున్న లుక్, కామెంట్స్ చూస్తుంటారా? పర్సనల్ గా మీకు మెసేజ్ చేస్తే మీ ఫ్యాన్స్ కి రిప్లై ఇస్తుంటారా?
I sometimes reply on those comments. Like if I'm on,
Mm.
if I've just posted and I'm
Yes.
right there, I reply sometimes.
Mm.
I feel social media is nice. You can have a direct connect with your audience. Nowadays, everyone is on social media and everyone's posting everything at all times. I'm fortunate that people are following the stuff that I post, so it's nice to interact. It's also a side of me that is not in my movies. It's how I am in real life. So I like people to see how I am when I'm training or behind the scenes when we're shooting or how I am actually as a person, which is different from what you see of me on movies. So I like people to see both sides.
సో ఎన్ని అవర్స్ వర్కౌట్ చేస్తారు? హౌ డూ యూ మెయింటైన్ యువర్ బాడీ టు బి ఫిట్?
I think I've trained myself enough that even if I have only like a little space, two tile space, I'll manage. I'll do back bends and handstands and do something. I don't really need a big space, though I enjoy a big space to work out. I like outdoors, a beach or a terrace, or I like working out where I can see the sky. That is my.
Are you foodie or you wanted to control the food when you're no control?
No control on food. But I'm pure vegetarian since birth.
Okay.
And I eat pretty healthy food. I mean, I eat home food as much as when I'm at home, and I don't really eat too much junk.
ఓకే. అండ్ మీరు యానిమల్ అంబాసిడర్ ఆర్ పెట్ లవర్ అని విన్నాము.
Yes.
అండ్ మీ క్యాట్ కూడా ట్రావెల్ చేసింది అనుకుంటా మీతో.
Oh, that cat pillow is a different thing. She's Radha Sharma, who
Okay.
is going to be the next Bollywood superstar.
Oh.
But she's a cat pillow. But as far as animals are concerned, yeah, the stuff I post, I genuinely believe in. I genuinely like animals, and I did put a video saying I'm the spokesperson for dogs, and I thought there's no one to speak for them, so it would be nice to have someone who people are following to say something. There are really cruel humans in the world who are not very nice to animals. So I thought it would be nice if I could spread some awareness.
Apart from movies, whenever the time you got free time, ఏం చేస్తారు? What would you like to do? What you are interested to do or watch?
I actually really enjoy making movies and being part of movies. So it's not work for me. That is something that, I have to work. So I enjoy doing that. So even when I'm not filming for a film, I enjoy watching movies. I enjoy that. That's something I really like to do. So I do. Other than that, I play the piano.
అన్ని లాంగ్వేజెస్ చూస్తారా? There is no language in barrier. I mean,
Now
all
we
kind of
have everything
movies.
subtitled and all also. So we're in an age where everything is given to us so readily. On an OTT, you just put your phone and type what genre you want, and you get there's so much content, and people are making such excellent stuff everywhere. So I enjoy watching movies.
What was your favorite movie recent times lo?
Oh my, what have I watched recently? So I just completed a show called Killing Eve.
Okay.
I really enjoyed watching it. It's a full masala show. It's about these two women.
Okay.
That was really nice. And I know everyone's watching Schitt's Creek now, but I had watched it like when it had released, and I've been following it. I love comedy, like that sitcom genre of web series. I really like that more. I mean, I like the crime one also, but I really enjoy the sitcom genre. So
తెలుగులో recent movies మీకు నచ్చిన movies, what were your favorite?
she just asked me also, but like this year, what has released in Telugu right now?
Recent means the last year అనుకోండి, I guess.
Because even I was like, what had I seen last?
Jan Feb March, I guess that was
What
last.
had released in Jan Feb? I have no memory.
అలవైకుంఠపురం, సారిలేరు నీకెవరు, తెలుగు.
This year I don't think I've watched too much. So
Okay.
I was watching like the older movies, and I watched like I know it's an older movie, but I happened to watch it now. I watched Fida.
Okay.
And I really liked it because I
Okay.
think Sai Pallavi is awesome and Varun Tej was awesome. I really liked their chemistry, and everything was nice about that film. It was such a feel-good rom-com. It was a really nice film. I enjoyed watching it.
Do you have any dream roles in your career?
No, I don't want to keep dream roles because when I started off, I never thought I'd get to do a film like 1920 with black teeth in my first movie. I didn't think my next movie in Hindi is called Man to Man. I play a man in that. It's a love story between a man who falls in love with a girl, and then he finds out she's a man. So I never thought someone would offer me a role where I'm playing a man.
Is there any specific roles that you would like to work, you would like to do
So
this
I don't
kind
want
of?
to keep a specific. I feel if I keep a specific, then what has to come to me will not come.
Yes.
So Yeah, I want to do all sorts of things. Every challenging thing. I hope all the directors writing all the unique roles think, let's take Ada and
ఓకే ఐటమ్ సాంగ్స్ ఆర్ స్పెషల్ సాంగ్స్ కి
Yes.
మీరు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉందా మీకు? దిస్ డేస్ హీరోయిన్స్ ఆర్ ఆల్సో డూయింగ్ దోస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్
at the moment I feel I want to do a special song if I am the heroine of the film. It would be very special for me to do the special song like
Like, yeah.
where I can be the heroine of the film and do the special song. I don't know if I want to do just a song. I'm not sure, to be honest. It depends on too many things.
ఓకే సో సన్ ఆఫ్ సత్యమూర్తిలో కూడా మీ క్యారెక్టర్ వచ్చిరాని తెలుగులో చాలా బాగుంటుంది. ఏదైనా డైలాగ్స్ గుర్తున్నాయా? Can you say any
I
dialogue?
said actually
Yeah.
a lot. but nothing I remember.
త్రివిక్రమ్ గారితో వర్క్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎలా ఉంది?
He's an awesome director. I didn't get to work with him for too many days because I was shooting for, I think I had like some 15 days that I shot for the film.
ఓకే
But it was a really cool working experience with him. He's another very cool guy who doesn't get hyper. I mean, on set, situations are never going to go as per what you have decided, you know, on any set, however big the movie is. He was really cool and calm, always explaining to the actors, and he has a fantastic sense of humor. So it was really nice working.
మీరు వర్క్ చేసిన డైరెక్టర్లో హూ ఇస్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ డైరెక్టర్?
Oh God, I can't just name one. I've actually been really lucky to get really good directors, like really good directors, and I've also been very lucky to have most of the directors I've worked with repeat me in their next movies also. No, I like all my directors barring like two. Not Vipra. I really like working with you, not you two. But I've been very lucky. I've got really good directors to work with, and I've enjoyed. Except for two, I had two like 1.5 actually. Yeah, I had two like, horror experiences with like really evil directors, but
You don't want to name those directors?
no, definitely not. But then I've been very lucky and got really good directors also. Like I got to work with Vipra, and they were so nice. And I mean, it's really nice because when you think back, I mean, after this movie releases and it's over, what remains are the memories of the movie. So I want to look back at movies and, you know, think, oh wow, you know, when we shot this there, or when you watch it, you're like, we shot, and on this day that happened. So I've been fortunate to mostly get really nice directors.
And who is your favorite co-star?
I recently did this film called Soul Sathi, and I have me being my co-star. There are two Ada Sharmas in it.
Okay.
I think I was my best co-star. I was the nicest to me.
Who is your favorite hero?
Who I've worked with on
No, in general.
in general. Oh God, there are too many. I like Johnny Depp a lot.
Okay.
I think he does something different with every movie, and he always plays these unique characters. One of my favorite romantic movies is Edward Scissorhands. I like his choice of roles.
ఇక్కడ బాలీవుడ్ సౌత్ ఇండస్ట్రీలో
There are too many. I don't know. Here, when I watch a film, then I'm like, this one is my favorite. This one is my favorite.
డూ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ క్రష్ ఇన్ యువర్ టీనేజ్లో కానీ లైక్ క్రష్?
First, I think it was Leonardo DiCaprio when I saw Titanic.
At what age?
I don't know. When Titanic released, a few years after that, I had seen it.
Okay.
And then I was like, wow, I'm in love with Leonardo DiCaprio. So I think I had a big crush on him.
దట్ మూమెంట్ మళ్ళీ ఎప్పుడు ఫేస్ రాలేదా? ఐ మీన్ దోస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ క్రష్ యూ హ్యావెంట్ ఫేస్డ్ ఎనీ ఇన్ యువర్ ఎంగేజ్ ఆర్ టీనేజ్?
I have Leonardo DiCaprio.
Then after?
Oh, after that, like.
After that, I'm asking.
Yeah, I don't really act too much on the crushes I have though.
Okay.
I don't do anything about it. But yeah, of course I've had crushes on people. Preferably not people I work with. I try to choose people who are not someone I'm working with. So, but I think crushes are normal only. That happens.
Any passing thoughts? These are just like passing thoughts.
Yeah, I let it just be like passing thoughts.
Okay.
It's easier that way.
ఇంకా కరెంట్ గా ఏం మూవీస్ వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు? Which movies that you are working right now?
So the film I told you, Man to Man, that's ready.
That's
for
in
release.
Hindi, right?
That's in Hindi. But
Okay.
I think if we do an OTT, it will be Telugu, Tamil, everything.
Okay,
It will
okay.
be dubbed and everything. There is another film called, I don't know if I should say it, but by the time this is out, that called Chuha Billi also.
It was also in Hindi?
Yes, that's in Hindi as well.
Okay.
Soul Sathi has just released. Commando 4 should start soon.
Oh, the series was continuously going on. Commando 2, 3,
Yes,
4.
yes. So basically, each one will happen, and it'll be a new mission, and we'll be saving the world. So Commando 4 will happen. I did this web series called The Holiday,
Okay.
season 1. So season 2 was supposed to start before the lockdown.
Okay.
Now we'll start soon.
And in Telugu?
In Telugu, I've actually, I have verbally signed 3 and physically signed like 1. So there are 3 things happening which are like almost final.
Okay.
What I can promise you is they're very interesting things that you've not seen. One is a Telugu movie that's not been done in Telugu before, or in Hindi also actually. It's very different from anything you've seen.
Okay.
So I'm trying to push the envelope and do different stuff. So whenever.
సో ఫైనల్లీ మీ ప్రొడ్యూసర్ కృష్ణ గురించి సే సంథింగ్ అబౌట్ యువర్ ప్రొడ్యూసర్ అంటే ఎలా తన ట్రీటింగ్ కానీ తన ఇన్వాల్వ్మెంట్ ఎలా ఉంది
So I feel like a film like this, which was shot in pandemic times, we've run a start to finish schedule of a film. I mean, we finished an entire film during Corona. I think it's the first film in India that has done that. And I think the whole credit goes to a producer who's willing to be daring enough to make such a film at a time like this. Because the whole, I mean, he's responsible for the entire cast and crew. So that way, yeah, and I got, I mean, he treated us really well, kept us really well, we felt really safe. And like I said, taking a whole responsibility of your whole cast and crew, you have to be very daring. But we did that, we came back, we shot another big song. He's a really cool guy. I think he's going to be doing a lot of amazing stuff, because as a producer, that's one thing you have to have, that you have to be really bold and daring to be able to, and to face Corona. If you can face Corona times, I think you're ready for everything else.
సో ఇస్ దేర్ ఎనీ పార్ట్ 2 ఫర్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ కెన్ యూ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్
You must speak to our directors about that. It's a question mark from my side, but they will tell you the suspense
ఆర్ యు
to
రెడీ ఫర్
this.
పార్ట్ 2
I definitely am. I'm ready for a part 3 also.
Okay.
But they'll take a call and tell you what's going to happen. And actually, you will have to watch the movie and the audience will have to decide. And then we'll know.
సో ఫైనల్లీ మూవీ గురించి వాంటెడ్ టు సే సంథింగ్ ఏం చెప్తారు
I'm waiting for it to release. I feel, I hope it reaches the maximum amount of people that it can. As far as the song is concerned, I mean, that's a song to bridge the film reaching people. And we've got a peppy song, we've got all the positivity from when we started. I think it's an interesting film that people will really be entertained by. It's something new you'll get to see. And I hope they like it.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అదా
Thank you.
ఆల్ ద వెరీ బెస్ట్ ఫర్
Thank you so much.
మూవీ సో
Thank you.
ఈ రోజు స్పెషల్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ దిస్ ఈజ్ రమ్య సైనింగ్ ఆఫ్